Objective is informer you un objectif d'apprentissage. मतलब to tell about the learning objective.
Hey there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories and more.
Okay, so lesson number 6. So we are moving towards the end of the first dossier now, and it's the last lesson of this dossier, first one. So the title is Je parle français pour. I speak French for. Okay. Objective is informer sur un objectif d'apprentissage. मतलब to tell about the learning objective. Okay. So like for example, what is your reason to learn French? अब इसको हम French में कैसे बोलेंगे? Okay. For example, if Anup is saying I am learning French for my career, for to better enhance my career, or maybe to get more opportunities in the career. So, say so, this one. Anup, if I'm not wrong, this is your main reason for learning French, isn't it? Can you read this one?
Parce que
Parce que
c'est bon pour ma carrière
professionnelle, isn't it?
Professional.
Because it is good for my career, professional career. If I'm not wrong, that's your main reason, right? So I would suggest. Mhm.
This parce means
Parce que means because.
okay.
Okay.
Parce
Like
que.
je parle français, I speak French because then these are some of the reasons. Okay. Now I would suggest you that you both just go through each of the reasons. Each of the reasons mentioned over here. 10 reasons are mentioned, and tell me which reasons are best, and you think the reason these are the main reasons for you also.
Okay.
Okay. So these are 10 good reasons. Please read.
Je parle français parce que c'est une langue parlée dans le monde entier.
That means because it's a
the language spoken in the entire world.
Exactly. Anup, next one.
Parce que c'est bon pour ma carrière professionnelle.
Carrière professionnelle. Because it's good for my professional career, right? Next one, Anubhuti.
Parce que c'est utile pour voyager dans les pays francophones. Because it is useful for travel in countries where French-speaking countries. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. Fourth reason, Anup.
Parce que c'est la langue des relations internationales. because it is the language
of
For
of international for international
relations.
relations.
Exactly. So, next, number two.
pass, 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 Iliade equal
Mm-hmm.
et de lycée, right?
Lycée.
Lycée, your daughter said lycée, pro, procès, pa, par,
Partout.
partout, because
Because there are
there are schools and middle school
and senior schools,
and
or high school basically.
high schools.
French schools and high schools all over. Part
अच्छा,
two,
part
all
2
over
is
or
all over.
everywhere. All over or everywhere.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Part
Parce que c'est la langue de l'amour
Mhm.
de
The
l'esprit,
l'esprit, l'esprit,
de l'esprit de la science,
science. Mhm.
because it is a language de
Mhm.
l'amour,
Language of love.
okay, language of love,
Mhm.
spirit, and
Sign.
Esprit is the spirit.
esprit, yes. Dans les sciences and science.
Spirit meaning like very
Yes,
passionate.
spirit. Yes.
It's like, uh, uh, intellectual language kind of intellectual language or kind of,
Has has life to it, maybe.
yeah, exactly.
Then set uh, pour étudier of
Mhm.
français,
France.
France for studying
Mhm.
in France.
Mhm.
Pour comprendre
Mhm.
la culture française, to
La culture
understand,
française.
to understand or to learn the
To
culture of
Culture.
understand the
France,
French culture.
French culture.
Mhm.
How do we pronounce this?
To
Compro. In
Comprendre. Comprendre.
comprendre. Then pour regarder
Regarder. Mhm.
les mi- médias of français
Mhm.
for watching the French media. Huh? Okay.
pour prendre plus. How do we plus? It is
Plus.
plus. Plus.
सॉरी यहाँ पे plus नहीं आएगा. Pour apprendre plus facilement.
Plus facile. Plus
Facilement.
facilement. Facilement.
Facilement.
Facilement. Okay.
D'autres langues.
That's too long.
It means to learn other languages more easily.
So facilement is what? Facile.
Easily.
Facilement.
Easily.
Mm.
And this blue means
It's like a
And
superlative degree. More easily.
okay.
actually, all 10 reasons are very useful.
That's true.
I was applying for myself. I'm thinking,
Autre, autre or long.
oh,
Facilement d'autres.
not long.
D'autres means other language. Other.
Yeah, d'autres is the other languages. C'est ça. C'est pourquoi parler français? Meaning, why
Why
learn
we
French?
mm,
Why to learn? Why to speak French? Pourquoi
speak French?
parler français? Why to speak French? These are some of the reasons that you mentioned as per the book, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so as of now, what we have to do is question number one. There are some pictures given here from A to J. We have to associate each reason mentioned above. I mean, out of these 10 reasons, so we have to, associate each reason with one of them.
Oh,
Okay, so you can go ahead. You can do this. Okay, so A part. What do you think?
wow.
It's gonna go with which?
Pass. Third.
Third.
Exactly. A part will go with the third reason. Parce que c'est utile pour voyager dans les pays francophones. Okay. B part.
7.
Yeah.
7. Exactly. Okay. Next. C part.
Peace.
6.
Six.
Sixth one. Correct.
6.
C's. D part.
2.
The
The.
the
The.
pass. So say Bampoor. Makar.
Macaria.
Kariyar.
A part. Sorry, I think D part is sorry. E
Oh.
part.
E.
8.
With yeah.
8. Correct.
Mm.
F part.
Yeah. That was fourth. Fourth.
F part will go with 1.
1. 1. 1.
F part will go with 1.
Oh, is it okay? I put that for J.
F part will go for first one. And okay, next G part.
Enough.
Enough.
No, ninth one, correct. Because TV 5 mois is the French media,
Media.
French journal. Okay, H,
Yeah.
this 10th one, correct. Okay, I part
And
Tag
and eventually
is
J
cat.
part is catch,
Cat.
sports.
Okay.
Lisez et associate. So what we have to do here is we have to read these reasons A, B, C, D, E, and then we have to associate these reasons with these
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These elements. So you can go ahead.
This asterisk and obliques. What's that?
So it's a comic book. So it's a cartoon series also, comic book also, and series also. Okay, so let's discuss the answers. So je parle français pour lire. What do you think? To read?
Asterisk
Exactly.
and
asterisk and
Asterix and
obliques.
Obelix. Right. So if you just wanted to see, I'll just show it to you here. बहुत फेमस कॉमिक बुक थी, पहले भी हम आती भी थी. It's a cartoon series also on channels. This is it. Okay. Okay. Then Pascal Français 18 long facile.
prompt.
Apprendre.
Apprendre, exactly. So I speak French because French
Please.
is an easy language to learn. Okay. Pascal Français 18 long dash.
Say chic.
No.
Then Latin.
Yeah, because the French is a Latin language.
Okay, because
Originated from Latin.
then
So
parse.
Pascal Français, because the French
Because the
Say
French
chic.
is chic. Yeah.
French is like classic,
Class.
you know. Mm. So it's in fashion. So then, parce que le français est la langue officielle
Des jeux
because the
J
French,
olympiques.
uh,
Des
because the
jeux
French is the
official
official language of the Olympic Games.
Olympics. So we'll say des jeux
Des
olympiques.
Jeux, des Jeux
Des jeux.
Olympiques,
Des jeux. Des jeux. Okay, des jeux
des
olympiques.
Jeux Olympiques.
Des jeux olympiques. Okay.
So like अभी जैसे पेरिस में ओलंपिक्स हुए थे. So
Yeah.
आपने कई जगह में भी अगर आपने ध्यान नहीं किया तो इट्स दे हैव रिटन JO is the short form of Jeux Olympique, Olympic Games.
J is game.
हाँ,
Olympic game.
Jeux
Yeah.
Jeux
Games is
Olympique,
game.
Olympic Games. All right, that's it.